Hi, my name is Cindy and welcome in this tutorial from Thrives, where I'm going to show you how you can create a marketing list and what the difference is between a static one and a dynamic one. Come on, let's go. So I've opened up my Sales Hub, and for my environment I need to dive into this menu at the bottom in the sales, then go to marketing. But in some environments the area of marketing is taken up in the sitemap, so you can go from there, but in my environment I need to dive into marketing over here. Alright, so here are the marketing lists, and to create a new marketing list I have to click on New in the toolbar above. There are two types of marketing lists. You have a static one and a dynamic one. For a static one you can add the records manually, and for the dynamic one you need to set up a filter, and based on that filter or query, Dynamics will pull in the records that are associated with those filters that you have set up. So for this purpose I'm going to make a static one, so demo static. I'm going to target them at my contacts. My students are contacts in my system, and for the purpose of this demo I'm going to fill in the required fields only. So I'm going to click Save, and then I'm going to add my members, and therefore I click here on the tab Members, and as you can see I can add members over here, or I can add them through my toolbar above and click on Manage Members. Then I'm going to look for the records, and I have created a view based on all my contacts that are in the Thrives Academy. So here I can find all my students, and then I'm going to add them one for one. Totally 7 students, and add. I'm going to save and close this one, and now I'm going to show you how you can create a dynamic one. Alright, new. I'm going to go into demo dynamic. This type is dynamic, targeted also at my contacts. Save them, and then I'm going to go to members, and as you can see the add members that we have had on my static list are gone over here, so I only can manage my members above in the toolbar. Now this window opens up and I can set up a filter by adding a row, a group, right? But for this demo I already recreated a view based on a filter. I'm going to load up the filter now, so I want to have all the active contacts who are students of my Thrives Academy. Find, and I'm going to use this query. And as you can see, the same 7 students are pulled in by the query over here. Save and close. Now let's see what happens if a student is removed from the academy. So let's dive into the contacts, and for example Bram, I'm going to remove him from the academy. Then I'm going to dive back into my lists, and as for my dynamic list, if I go to members, you will notice that Bram is gone from the list. So he was automatically removed from this list based on the criteria that I set up before. And if I dive into the static one, you will notice that Bram is still at the list. So here you have to remove him manually. So by selecting him, and then you can go over here and remove him from the list. Alright, and that's it. That's all about the marketing lists. So guys, this was it. Now you know what the difference is between a static marketing list and a dynamic one. And in the next video I'm going to show you how you can use this marketing list in a quick campaign or in a campaign. See you next time.